Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I made this centerpiece for my son's birthday. It was a Star Wars theme party and this is what I made. The materials that I used, they were pretty simple. Some of them I got them at the dollar store and other ones I just print them out at home. So I'm going to start with these pot planners that I found at the dollar store. They're usually around during summer, but I'm pretty sure you can order online. I'm gonna use duct tape, also this floral foam, balloons. I'm going to use bubble sticks, kebab sticks, those skewers, ribbon, matching ribbon for the characters. I'm gonna use these characters. I printed out more for other centerpieces as well. I'm gonna use cardstock paper in black and this crafters foam and glitter, and also other cardstock that matches the theme, as well as scissors and the hot glue gun. I have the glue sticks, the glue, and more ribbon. This is just regular balloon ribbon. So I'm gonna start by cutting the pieces all around. I'm gonna try to go as close as I can. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I mean as close as you can get as to the line. And I'm gonna glue it into the cardstock paper, and I'm gonna just leave a small edge because I'm gonna try to give it a shadow. So just cut around this and make sure to kind of go even. You can actually trace it more if you want. I'm gonna add a dot of hot glue and I'm gonna put the kebab stick as well as the other piece, the other side of the image. And this is a mirrored image, which helps me have the same image on both sides without looking funky. So I'm just gonna finish in here gluing the whole thing, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the stormtrooper. That way I have it in the kebab stick and ready for the centerpiece. Now just add the ribbon, and this is any ribbon that you have. You don't even have to add the ribbon, it's just to make it look nicer. It adds another texture to it. So just play around with the textures and colors of your materials. And now I'm gonna add a simple bow. I decided to add this on top of all the other ones where I tied them all together. And I'm gonna post the link so you can check out how to make this cute little bow. You can make them in different sizes. Now I'm gonna add the duct tape to the bubble sticks, and this is gonna be in the handle and it's gonna make it look like a lightsaber. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this, and now I'm gonna cover up this dent here in the planter with a little bit of ribbon. I'm using this shimmery glitter ribbon that I found. I believe it was Walmart or dollar store, I don't remember. So I'm gonna try to cover that up, and it also adds a cool detail to it. I'm gonna add the crafter foams, which actually fits perfectly in the planters. It doesn't go all the way down. And now I'm gonna start adding also the tissue paper. The way that I do it, and I think it works great, is just cutting strips of paper, just regular paper, printer paper, whatever you have, and gluing the tissue paper in little batches like this. And then once you have a long enough strip, just add it to your centerpiece container, in this case my planter. It is less messy and it looks nicer. It is more even. So you just kind of can do this. It's a small trick that you can use, and that way you don't forget which color you're using, especially if you're making a lot of centerpieces. This will save you time and it will make it look even. Now that you have it all set up, start adding your ribbons, your balloons, your centerpiece, your character. You can add other items in here. Just kind of place it the way you want it. I recommend you doing this until the end, like before the party, because if not, they might get damaged. And I'm gonna attach the lightsaber with a little bit of tape. You can glue it in here, but I actually wanted the kids to play with them, so I'm just gonna add it this way. And to help with the weight, I am gonna add water and something heavy on the bag. You can hide the water, you can add juices here. I mean, the bubbles won't last long there. And I'm gonna add a number 8 to try to cover it up a little bit of the tape. So this is what it looks like. It is pretty simple to use, and as you can see, they turn out pretty cool. Let me know if you like them. If you make them, share a picture with me on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you want, even Snapchat if you want. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share if you like it. Pin this on Pinterest. I will really appreciate that. And I will talk to you next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.